Here are two problems involving density. The first reads, how much water will an object displace whose mass is 74.62 grams, which has a density of 4.3 grams per centimeter cubed? We'll start with our equation for density. Density equals mass divided by volume. We're curious here how much water an object will displace. It's a measurement of volume. So I want to rearrange my equation to solve for volume. Volume equals mass divided by density. Now I can plug in some units. The mass is 74.62 grams. The density, 4.3 grams per centimeter cubed. Grams will cancel. When I do this math out, I find the volume is equal to 17.35 centimeters cubed. However, because I only have two significant figures in my density measurement, I need to round that to two significant figures. 17 cubic centimeters. Now the question does read how much water will an object displace, so the best is probably to convert this from centimeters cubed to milliliters, as that's a better measurement of volume. Recall that 1 centimeter cubed equals 1 milliliter, so that conversion is simple to do. The second question reads, in a regularly shaped lump of iron, which has a density of 7.87 grams per centimeter cubed, is submerged into a graduated cylinder of water. The water level rises from 8.4 milliliters to 16.2 milliliters. What's the mass of this piece of iron? Again, I'll start with my density equation. Here I'm trying to solve for mass, so I want to solve my density equation for mass. I'm given the density, but I'm not given the volume directly. I'll need to solve for it using some subtraction. To do that, I can take 16.2 milliliters, that's the final volume of water, subtract out the initial volume of water, and find that there was a difference of 7.8 milliliters. That is to say, the iron displaced 7.8 milliliters of water. Because we're measuring iron, which is a solid, we're probably going to express that volume in centimeters cubed. Again, milliliters, centimeters cubed, those units are interchangeable. Now I can plug in my values to my density equation. Density is 7.87 grams per centimeter cubed. Multiply it by a volume of 7.8 centimeters cubed. Centimeters cubed will cancel, leaving me with an answer of 61.386 grams. However, I only have two significant figures in my volume, so I'll need to round that to two significant figures. Give me a final answer of 61.